Plastic pollution isn't just an eyesore on our beaches, it's a crisis that companies are finally being challenged to act on, not just talk about. And Playa Bowls, together with 4ocean, is trying to prove that brand activism can go beyond feel-good marketing and turn into real, measurable ocean cleanup. But here's where it gets interesting. Are these efforts a genuine solution or just a small dent in a massive global problem? Playa Bowls, the well-known Superfruit bowl brand, is celebrating a new milestone in its environmental partnership with ocean cleanup company 4ocean after a recent strike mission in Miami, Florida. During this focused cleanup effort, Playa Bowls' leadership team and its franchise advisory council joined 4ocean's professional cleanup crew on the ground to clear more than 233 pounds of trash and plastic from the local beach and surrounding environment. This hands-on mission is part of Playa Bowls' broader promise to protect the ocean and to actively support 4ocean's global mission to tackle the plastic crisis in our seas. Co-founder and Chief Marketing Officer Abby Taylor shared how personally confronting the pollution changed the way the team sees the issue. Growing up by the beach and feeling at home in the water, she found it startling to see how much garbage had accumulated along such a beautiful stretch of coastline. It is one thing to know intellectually that the ocean is polluted, but a very different experience to stand in the middle of it, picking up debris piece by piece. Participating in the strike mission alongside the 4ocean crew and the Playa Bowls team reinforced for them why their environmental work matters and how powerful it can be when people unite around a cause they care deeply about. Since the partnership with 4ocean officially launched in June, the entire Playa Bowls network, from the executive team to individual shops across the United States, has leaned into the collaboration. Playa Bowls is both a certified cleanup partner and a Pull a Pound partner, which means the brand has formally pledged to help remove 100,000 pounds of trash and plastic from oceans, rivers, and coastlines over a 2-year period. Their combined efforts so far have already led to more than 16,000 pounds of debris being removed around the world, showing that consistent action over time can generate significant results. Guests are also invited to participate directly, making the cleanup effort more than just a corporate initiative. When visiting a Playa Bowls shop, customers can tell a team member how many pounds of trash they want to help remove and add that amount to their order in-store, online, or through the Playa Bowls app. Each dollar translates into 1 pound of trash pulled from the ocean, turning a simple purchase into a small but concrete environmental contribution. This $1, 1 pound model helps people see exactly how their everyday choices can scale into meaningful impact, although it also raises a provocative question: should ocean cleanup really depend on smoothie and bowl sales to move the needle? Plastic pollution continues to endanger marine animals, coral reefs, and fragile coastal ecosystems, with millions of tons of waste entering the ocean every single year. As plastic production and global consumption keep rising, unmanaged waste becomes an even more urgent problem, making coordinated, collective action critical rather than optional. Through its partnership with 4ocean, Playa Bowls aims to keep beaches cleaner and ocean waters healthier, transforming its brand identity, rooted in surf culture and love for the sea, into tangible, trackable environmental outcomes. Playa Bowls itself has its roots in surf trips and beach culture, which makes this ocean-focused mission feel deeply aligned with its origin story. The company was founded by surfers Abby Taylor and Rob Giuliani, who were inspired by the vibrant, nutrient-packed acai and pitaya bowls they discovered on surf adventures from Costa Rica to Hawaii. After sampling different local versions of these post-surf favorites, they came home wanting to recreate and elevate those healthy bowls for their own community. With just a blender and a small cart set up across from the boardwalk in Belmar, New Jersey, the first Playa Bowls location came to life. Over the next 11 years, that modest setup evolved dramatically. Thousands of team members, hundreds of thousands of bowls served, and a growing menu built around superfruit-rich creations. Today, Playa Bowls stays focused on offering nutrient-dense options while promoting a broader mission of leading communities toward healthier and more sustainable lifestyles, both in terms of personal nutrition and environmental responsibility. 4ocean, Playa Bowls' cleanup partner, is widely recognized as a leading ocean cleanup organization focused on ending the plastic crisis in the world's waters. Since 2017, its full-time, professional captains and cleanup crews have removed more than 45 million pounds of plastic and other human-made debris from oceans, rivers, and coastlines across the globe. This large-scale, ongoing operation is funded through their business model, which includes product sales and partnerships like the one with Playa Bowls, blending commerce and conservation in a way that often sparks debate about the role of for-profit companies in environmental work. Known as New Jersey's original acai bowl shop, Playa Bowls has grown into a national leader in the Superfruit bowl space. The brand now offers a wide menu of more than 40 items, featuring vibrant acai, pitaya, green, and coconut bowls, along with oatmeal bowls, fresh juices, smoothies, and cold brew coffee made from high-quality ingredients. What started in 2014 as 2 blenders, a patio table, and a fridge has expanded into more than 300 locations across 27 states, supported by thousands of employees and anchored by the same mission, to encourage healthy, sustainable living in every community it serves. The company's rapid growth has also brought industry recognition. Playa Bowls has earned a spot at number 7 on the 2025 Franchise Times Fast and Serious list and has been featured in honors such as Forbes 30 Under 30, Fast Casual's Top 100 Movers and Shakers, QSR Young Leaders to Watch, and finalist recognition for the Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year award. The brand maintains an active online presence through its website and social channels, where fans can follow updates, new menu items, and ongoing impact initiatives. 4ocean, headquartered in Boca Raton, Florida, operates as a public benefit corporation and a certified B Corp, which means it is legally structured to balance profit with positive social and environmental impact. Its business-driven model funds a global cleanup network that removes millions of pounds of plastic and other debris from oceans, rivers, and coastlines every year. This approach raises a bold, sometimes controversial question: can consumer spending and private companies truly solve a crisis that many argue requires sweeping policy change and systemic reductions in plastic production? And this is the part most people miss. While partnerships like Playa Bowls and 4ocean clearly make a visible difference, they also highlight how dependent environmental progress has become on brand initiatives and individual purchases. Is this a powerful example of conscious capitalism at work, or does it risk shifting responsibility away from governments and major producers of plastic? Do you see these collaborations as a meaningful step forward, or do they feel more like marketing wrapped in a green message? Share whether you strongly agree, somewhat agree, or completely disagree with this model of impact-driven business in the comments, and explain why.